How to grow avocado plant step by step. Welcome to the green world of avocado growing. Transforming a pit into a thriving plant is easier than you think, and we're here to guide you through it. Prepare the avocado seed. After enjoying an avocado, carefully clean the seed by removing any remaining flesh. Be careful not to remove the brown skin. Pierce the seed. With a few toothpicks, pierce the sides of the seed at its midpoint, ensuring that the toothpicks are equally spaced and positioned horizontally. The toothpicks will help suspend the seed in water later. Place the seed in water. Fill a glass or jar with water, then suspend the seed by resting it on the rim of the glass or jar. The water should cover about an inch of the seed's bottom. Place the glass or jar in a warm, sunny spot, but not in direct sunlight. Change the water regularly. Change the water every few days, making sure it remains at the same level. Clean the seed during each water change to prevent mold from forming. Wait for sprouting. In a few weeks, the seed should split and sprout roots at the bottom. Shortly after, a stem will emerge from the top of the seed. Allow the stem to grow to about 6 inches. Plant the seed in soil. Once the stem has grown to about 6 inches and has developed a few leaves, plant it in a large pot with nutrient-rich soil. Ensure the pot has good drainage. Bury the seed about half an inch below the surface. Provide adequate sunlight. Avocado trees thrive in sunlight, so place the pot in a location that receives plenty of sunlight. If you're growing the tree indoors, consider using a grow light to supplement natural light. Water the tree regularly. Avocado trees prefer consistently moist soil. Water the tree regularly, ensuring the soil never dries out completely. However, avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Fertilize the tree. Once the tree has established itself, you can use a balanced fertilizer. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package for proper application. Prune the tree. As the tree grows, prune it to encourage lateral branching and a strong, healthy structure. Regular pruning will help the tree develop a sturdy frame. Remember that it can take several years for an avocado tree to produce fruit, and not all trees grown from seed will bear fruit. Be patient, as the process of growing an avocado tree can be slow but rewarding.